Hi everybody, it's 12:05 and 7 seconds on April 17th. This is the mini for the Batman number 40. As announced, the way it's going to run is whoever comes in first place is going to get the first 6 open spots in the main, which are spots 5, 6, 12, 16, 17, and 19. You're automatically going to get those assigned to you. The person who comes in second place in the mini will get the final 6 open spots, which are spots 22, 23, 24, 26, 28, and 29. Okay? I will fill those in immediately and get the main run as soon as this is closed. So here are the 24 on this side over here on the left, the 24 filled spots for the mini. All right, let's do our 3 dice. Number's a low number, but it's a lucky number, number 7. So away we go. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the final one, 7. Dave Smith, who got the final spot, is in first. Let me just write that down. And Jesse Sipler is in second. All right? The time is 2:06 and 34 seconds.